Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how to read the power supply schematic, power supply circuit, and how you have to place it and route it. Okay, so let's start. So this is my power supply circuit. This is J17 connector. Okay, from here this is input. Through diode and fuse it is generating 24 volt, and from here 24 volt, this is regulator input, is 24 volt input, it is generating 5 volt output. Okay, and these are the capacitors, decap capacitors, and now this is 5 volt to 3 volt 3 regulator. So from 5 volt it is generating 3v3 volt, and these are the some test points and all. So this is power supply circuit, and you need to route it and place it very accurately, then only that power will work on the board. Okay, so this is the thing, this is my board, and here you can see this is the connector J17. The straight this D47 we need to place it like this horizontally as per the schematic, and after that fuse is there, and then it is generating 24 volt. So this is generating 24 volt, and so from 24 volt next you just see this 24 volt, it is generating 5 volt. So this U17, so this input, this is the input, and it is generating 5 volt. This is generating 5 volt. This is 5 volt, and this is ground. This is 5 volt, and this green one is ground. Okay, yellow one is 5 volt. I have highlighted the net for to understand easy which net is what and all. So we need to accurate, we need to place it. So U70, this is 24 volt, C68, C67, see here it is, this is input, and now output is pin number 2. This is pin number 2, and here it is output 5 volt. Okay, and this green one is ground. This is ground. Okay, and then this 5 volt here it is generated. Now this 5 volt is going to convert into 3v3 volt. Okay, so this is output, this is input, this 5 volt is input. So C2, D48 and C1, C2, D48, C1, this is input, and from here it is generating C3 through C3, C4. This is C3, this is C4. This pink color you can see, this is 5 volt, sorry 3v3 volt. So like this we need to place it. Okay, so and this one is this capacitors and all this depend on the client. They will give the package and all, package dimension, whether it is through all assembly and which package it is. So don't see package here, just see the placement, see the circuit what it is. You no need to do 0603 package or usually you take it like 0603 or sorry 1206 package, depends on the client. Okay, and my main aim is to show you how to understand power supply and how to place it, and then how to route it. Okay, so first I am going to route this one, this section. I need to pour shape here. Okay, this small thin line will not work here, need to make shape. So select copper, click this, just make it rectangle, simple shape. Okay, complete. complete. Okay, so layer you make it top. Okay, and here you just see assign net by click. Select assign net by click and you just click it here. See the net name layer, you need to make it top. Apply. See copper is in top layer, make it solid copper and apply. Okay, now see, this is shape which I have made and this is input, so we need to make it copper shape. And now you are seeing it is 90 degrees, and how you will convert it this to 90 degree should not be there. Okay, so what you do is select anything, add meters and make it meter 50. Okay, T. Okay, no, wait, just delete this one. Select copper, make shape like this. For copper it is not getting selected, so now you okay, top layer assign net by click. Okay, now make it solid, apply, give OK. So like this also here you make it let's change the grid G space 5. Okay, it is in mm. First need to change it to mils. Apply. Okay, now G space 5. Complete. Shit. Okay. So like this you make shape for top layer. Similarly you make shape in this. Okay. Okay. You similarly you make shape here. Here you need to make shape this package is small actually. You should take at least 1206 package for this. This edit you can do cleaning and all. I am not going to make complete, just showing you how to do. I have already done this board, just giving you assign net by click, select this solid copper, apply. Now this time this is coming every time, should not come, so you need to change the settings. Okay, so this is how you make the shape for this. So this is also, here also you need to make shape. Okay, just select volt, apply. Okay, this complete line also you need to make shape. This 90 degree, just make it. Okay, similarly here also this is 5 volt. From 24 volt it is generating 5 volt. Apply. Okay, so this 5 volt here, it is generating 3V 3 volt. This 5 volt is generating 3V 3 volt. Okay, so this also you need to make shape here. Okay, so this already I have done, just for so I cannot make complete video in front of you. Okay, so this is the simple example I have just given, and I have done already. I will show you. See, this is how I have done this one. You see, here you need to put top layer and bottom layer also the same shape you need to make. Okay, Here also top and bottom you make, or multiple vias you give, because this is 4-layer board. See, like this multiple vias you need to make. So like this shape you have to make it. Okay, this is 4-layer board, and I have already explained how to make 4-layer board. Setup, go to setup, layer definition, and here it will be, before it will be 2 layers, so go to max layer. Now it is 4-layer board. If you go to max layer, okay, so go to modify, and here 6, since it is 4-layer board, so it is coming now 6 layer. If it is 2 layers, so it will come here 4 layer, and you can give ground and power. See, ground no plane, power no plane. Here you can root also. This is mixed signal, okay, and this is bottom. So here it this is the way how you can modify layers from 2-layer to 4-layer board. So okay, so this is the way how you route a power line. And see, this board I have routed, and this complete section, see this in 4-layer board. If you see, go to wait, I'll show you setup, display colors. Already know. Okay, so I already poured copper here. I will show you tools. I am going to pour manager, start. Yes, see, so setup, go to setup, display color, remove all layers. Okay, this is ground layer. See, 3 different grounds are there. So see, this is 3 different grounds. Okay, so I have separated all the grounds here, and go to display color. This is power. Okay, so this is different powers it is. Okay, this is here it is generated 5 volt. By seeing the board you can come to know which and all power it is. Okay, depend. I have already explained how to pour coppers and all. If anyone is having any doubt, again please let me know, I will explain it. I have already made video of 4-layer board. That is simple board. I cannot make this much big video, this much big board video. Part by part I will explain everyone to you all. Okay, so this is the way. Suppose you want to remove copper, PO, enter. See, copper went. If you want copper, PO, enter, copper will come. Okay, PO, enter, power, copper will go. So this is the way how you do the power circuit. Okay, and how to split lines, different power lines. It should not come here and there. This power should come in this area only. This power should come in this area only. This area should be fixed. Okay, so hope this video will be helpful for you all. If any doubt is there, please let me know, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.